Hi guys, it's Primrose and welcome back. I was asked a question on how did I put up this hanging plant together in such a way that I can put some plants on the sides and as well as from on the opening here at the top. So I have decided to bring it down for you today so I can show you. And also I need to repot these plants already. As you can see, all of the succulents are getting leggy, and I have made peace with that. If you're growing succulents indoor, you cannot really grow it perfectly. It will stretch out no matter what you do, so I'm fine with that. But these ones here are very long, so when I put this planter up in January, I got this Queen of the Night as a cutting, and it was the pot was barely full. It was looking very sparse, and that is why I put some succulents there as well. And I did not expect for this plant to grow so much in such a short period of time. And you can see it's very long and it keeps putting out new leaves. So I might need to transfer this into a bigger pot because the leaves are growing so wide. And so what I will do is I'm gonna take all of these plants out and I'm gonna show you the pot. Also, I have my soil here ready, so I make my own potting mix with all of these ingredients that I have here, and I have soaked a tiny piece of coconut, pressed coconut husk to get into the mix. This is how it looks like. So this was gifted to me by my sister-in-law, and this was an herb pot, and it came with 5 different seeds that you can grow from each of these openings here. It didn't have a drainage hole, so I asked my husband to drill one for me there. And yeah, so you just have to fill it up with soil. Or at least you don't have to go beyond this point here. And then just stick all of your plants that you wanted to plant in there, and you'll have a space on top as well, an opening on top where you could put some more. So I think that's all about this herb pot planter for my hanging plants. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.